Hi, this is CryptoPancakes, and today I'll show you how to use Bitmex. So, after your registration on the Bitmex, your landing page should look like this. And let's start from its customization. Let's choose the dark theme, choose advanced dashboard, and take off the animations. Take off the instruments and recent trades, and after that, I will move all the windows you can see in a way that it's on my Twitch stream. There are different options that you can trade on Bitcoin on the Bitmex. Main ones are perpetuals and XBT futures. All the possible options you want to trade you can see on the top of the page. To not make it overly complicated, let's just dive deeper into perpetual XBT contracts. Perpetual contracts have two types of fees, taker fee and maker fee. When you are placing in a limit order, you're going to pay a maker fee since you are creating liquidity on the order books. When executing a market order, you will be charged a taker fee. A taker fee can be additionally reduced if you would register following our referral link. In that case, a taker fee would be 0.0675%. The funding fee on Bitmex has to be paid every 8 hours. You will pay or receive the funding only if you have open position at the time this is up. If we would click on the more details, we would see that longs will receive 0.0397% and shorts will pay that amount. So, in this funding period, shorts pay longs. Since we did the overview of different order fees, let's dive deeper to the order execution. Even though there are more than 2 different order options, all of them are divided to the 2 groups, market orders and limit orders. Let's start from the limit orders. To place a limit order, you input quantity, so how many contracts you want to buy, and you input the price at which you want to sell or buy that amount. For limit type order execution, you will pay a maker fee. If you want to change the price of an existing order, you can simply drag it up or down. If you will drag your buy order above the price, it will execute a market order, for which you will pay a taker fee. If you want to close your position immediately, you can do so by executing a market order or simply pressing a market close. In case you have a couple of different buy or sell orders placed at different price levels, if all orders will be executed, your entry will be the average of all the orders. A post-only option makes so your order will never market execute. Even if you try move your post-only limit the order above the price, it will only get cancelled. If you have an open position and want to close it in such a way that it wouldn't open a new position to the opposite direction, you should use reduce only. In case you will close your open position with other type of order, reduce only order will disappear as well. This type of order can only be used when you have an active open position. As it was mentioned before, the market order is the fastest way to open a position. When executing a market order, the engine will fill your order at the best price at the time of order execution. When using a market order, you will always be charged a taker fee. So try using market orders only on rare occasions. Stop market order will activate the market order when the trigger price is reached. Most common use of stop market order is for stop loss. If you want to use it as a stop loss, you can additionally check the close on trigger option, so it will work the same way as a reduce only option on the limit order. One more use case for the stop market order is for entering a position on the breakout. So in that case, you would place a stop market order above the resistance or below the support. A stop limit order consists of 2 parts, a trigger price and an order price. When the XBT price will reach a stop price, which is a trigger price in this case, a limit order will be placed in the books at the limit price. Trailing stop is a market stop order which follows the market price. If you have a long position and you put a trailing stop order will rise together with the market price, but staying behind by the trail amount. If the marker starts to go down, a trailing stop will stay at the same position. Unrealized P&L shows you the amount you would gain or lose if you would close your position out. Realized P&L shows you the amount you have already gained or lost. It is calculated based on the current funding price. On Bitmex, you can use the leverage up to 100 times. So in case your balance is 1 BTC, you could place an order up to 100. When using isolated margin, you can select the amount of money in your wallet that you want to use for the position after placing the order, whereas the cross margin will consider all the money in your account being up for leverage, so be really cautious with this one. When using isolated margin, you can conveniently adjust your leverage with a leverage slider. The rule of thumb would be never opt for the leverage higher than 25x. For instance, at 50x position will be liquidated after the 2% move against you. So unless you want to lose all your money straight away, never use 100x. To sum it up, I will choose 2 trade examples. The first one, I'll open a short position at 6,351. After that, I'll place a take profit at 6,315 and a stop loss at 6,381. In this case, I will be covered in any direction that price may move, since I have an open position, profit taking order, and a stop loss. A second one, let's imitate a breakout. If I believe that a price may break out to the downside, but I want to enter a trade only after the support was broken, I'll place a stop market order at 6,349 and a profit take at 6,310 and a stop loss at 6,381. No matter your entry point, always use a stop loss order. This one is a must. I hope you guys have enjoyed the short tutorial about the Bitmex. In case you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or join me in my live stream, and I will try to answer any questions you may have. Peace.